Ever wondered how real estate agents figure out the price of a home? Today, we're diving into how you can do it yourself using Redfin. First, head over to redfin.com in the search bar. Type in the address of the property you're interested in, whether it's your own home or one you're considering buying. Once you're on the property page, scroll down to the map view now. The magic happens. Use the filters at the top to refine your search. Crucially, select sold under listing status to only see recently sold properties. €? These are your best comps. Adjust the price range. Property type. €? Are you looking at houses, condos, or townhomes? €? The number of beds and baths, and especially the square footage. Aim for properties within a similar size range, ideally within 1,015% of the target property. Now, carefully examine the comparable properties. Pay attention to lot size, year built, and any unique features like a remodeled kitchen, a pool, or a finished basement. These factors significantly impact value. Create a simple table €, either on paper or in a spreadsheet. €, to organize your findings. List the address, square footage, and sale price of each comparable property. Calculate the price per square foot for each. Finally, average the price per square foot of your comparable properties. Multiply that average by the square footage of your target property. This gives you a solid estimate of its market value. Remember, this is just an estimate, but it's a great starting point for understanding the market.